Hi, I'm Vernaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I have the recipe for you of a flourless, soft brown bread rolls. They've come out absolutely amazing and they are the prettiest bread rolls you will have ever seen. So let me show you what they look like. Yes, and I've opened one. Let me show you what it looks like inside. Nothing could be more bready than this. So let's go to my kitchen and let's get cooking. So let's begin. We take a blender and put in 1 cup of almond butter or peanut butter. Next we have 4 large egg whites or 160 grams of egg whites, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 4 tablespoons of oat fibre and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and 1 teaspoon of salt. Give it all a good blend, and then I have this pretty little mold. I'm going to fill them to 3/4 of the height because they are going to puff up. And we are going to bake this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees centigrade for anywhere between 17 to 19 minutes. And we are going to come out. I've got 8 of them. You might get 9. So here we have it after baking. Look at that. Pretty little soft bread rolls. I have this lovely edible bronze luster, and that's what I've sprayed. Thanks for watching. Bye then.